Hi everyone, my name is Ned Bellavance and welcome to my course, Terraform Getting Started, an introductory course into the world of Terraform. Terraform is a tool used to automate the deployment of infrastructure across multiple providers, both in the public and private cloud. Within this course, you will learn the fundamentals of how Terraform functions, as well as work with a real-world example to gain hands-on experience with the tool. We'll be focusing on a few topics within the course, including creating a basic configuration and updating that configuration with new resources, understanding Terraform components, such as variables, provisioners, providers, and more, integrating multiple providers in a single configuration, which is a core strength of Terraform, using abstraction and reusable components, such as modules, to make your configurations consistent and repeatable. By the end of the course, you will be able to dive into the world of automating infrastructure with the Terraform toolset by your side, enabling you to be more productive and do more with less. It's not necessary to know anything about coding or programming prior to starting the course. This is a getting started course after all. The demonstrations utilize both AWS and Microsoft Azure, so a passing familiarity is recommended, but certainly not required. If you're interested in automating infrastructure with one of the most exciting toolsets out there, I invite you to dive into the Terraform Getting Started course on Pluralsight.